Students, in the previous video we were doing the exercise of your chapter number 2 from your democratic politics section. The name of the chapter is what is democracy, why democracy. So up to part 7 we have done the question answers. Now it is part question number 8. Are the following statements in keeping with democracy as a value? Why? So अब हम यहाँ देखेंगे कि these statements have democracy kept in it or not as a value, right? Not as a form of government. So number 1, father to daughter, I don't want to hear your opinion about your marriage. In our family children marry where the parents tell them to. So अगर हम democracy को as a value देखें, what is democracy? Participation of everyone, right? Consultation of everyone. So do you think this is democratic? No, not at all. That is undemocratic. So it is undemocratic. Why it is undemocratic? Because the question is they have asked why भी बताना है हमें. The daughter has been denied permission to express her views or her opinions on her marriage. That is why it is undemocratic. Next, teacher to student. Don't disturb my concentration by asking me questions in the classroom. Do you think it is democratic? जहाँ आपको बोलने का राइट ही नहीं है, that is also undemocratic. The student is not being allowed to ask questions in the class. General talking की बात नहीं हो रही है, questions की बात हो रही है, right? So it is undemocratic. Employee to the officer. Our working hours must be reduced according to the law. So here also it is undemocratic. Democracy को as a value choose ही नहीं किया इन्होंने किसी ने भी. So as the employee is asking working hours to be reduced according to the law, that's why it is undemocratic. Now question number 9. Consider the following facts about a country and decide if you would call it a democracy. देखो countries के आपको facts दिए हुए हैं, आपने डिसाइड करना है कि would you be able to call them democracy. ठीक है, if you are seeing whatever your answer is, आपको अपने डिसीजन को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आर्गुमेंट भी देना है. So here, all the citizens of the country have the right to vote. Elections are held regularly. So obviously according to us it is a democracy. It is democratic because in a democracy there is universal adult franchise कि adults को वोट देने का right है. Next, the country took loan from international agencies. One of the conditions for giving loan was that the government would reduce its expenses on education and health. अब देखो किसी कंट्री ने भाई फॉरेन से लोन लिया, अब लोन कैसे चुकाएंगे वो? कंडीशन उन्होंने क्या की कि एजुकेशन और हेल्थ पे कम खर्चा करेंगे. सो ये क्या है? बिल्कुल ही अनडेमोक्रेटिक है. ठीक है, बिकॉज इट इज़ अनडेमोक्रेटिक एक्शन टू रिड्यूस एक्सपेंसेस एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ पीपल. वाई वी आर सेइंग सो एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ पीपल? क्यों, कौन इफेक्ट हो रहा है? अब जैसे कोरोना, ये कोविड, ये है फैला हुआ, ठीक है, अगर गवर्नमेंट इस पर खर्च ही नहीं करेगी, वैक्सीन नहीं बनाएगी या कुछ भी नहीं करेगी, तो किसकी जान जाएगी? लोगों की. सो एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ पीपल, तो इट इज़ अनडेमोक्रेटिक. नेक्स्ट, people speak more than 7 languages, but education is available only in one language, the language spoken by 50% people of the country. अब ये भी देखो, so that is also undemocratic. It is undemocratic because the majority views is being imposed on minority. कि सिर्फ 52% लोग बोलते हैं, तो 50 में से 100 में से तो वो भी मेजॉरिटी होगी ना, 2% ज़्यादा है, तो मेजॉरिटी की लैंग्वेज को ही सब पे थोप दिया गया है. दैट इज़ अनडेमोक्रेटिक. देन several organizations have given a call for peaceful demonstrations and nationwide strikes in the country to oppose these policies. Government has arrested these leaders. अब क्या है ये? ये है democratic. In a democratic country, the government follows such a policy to maintain law and order, as is done in the case where strikers are arrested against the policies of the गवर्नमेंट। नेक्स्ट है the government owns the radio and television in the country. All the newspapers have to get permission from the government to publish any news about government's policies and protests. ये तो क्या है, बिल्कुल ही अनडेमोक्रेटिक है। इससे तो हमें रियलिटी पता ही नहीं चलेगी कि रियलिटी है क्या। So it is undemocratic because in a democracy people have the right to freedom of speech and expression. Radio and television and the press is free from government's control. Okay students, now we will do questions for 1 mark. I think आपने पता नहीं लिखे हैं नहीं. I am going to repeat all the questions. So question number 1, that is what is referendum? What is referendum? ये है for 1 mark. Question number 2 for 1 mark. Who appoints the president of China? Who appoints the president of China? Next question. After how many years does Mexico hold elections for electing the president? After how many years does Mexico hold elections for electing the president? Next, who does not have the right to vote in Saudi Arabia? अब ये क्वेश्चन दूसरी तरह से भी आ सकता है. In which country women do not have the right to vote? Then the answer will be Saudi Arabia. अगर पहले की तरह आता है तो आंसर will be women. Next, which party of Zimbabwe led the struggle for independence? Which party of Zimbabwe led the struggle for independence? ये बहुत तरह से आता है क्वेश्चन, इंपॉर्टेंट है. Which is the most preferred form of government in the world? Which is the most preferred form of government in the world? अब है क्वेश्चंस फॉर 3 मार्क्स. Mention 3 instances. Mention 3 instances which are exceptions of the principle of one vote, one person and one value. वन वोट, वन पर्सन एंड वन वैल्यू. तो इसके आंसर में आपने एक तो सऊदी अरेबिया का एग्जाम्पल लिखना है, एक एस्टोनिया का और तीसरा फिजी का. ठीक है, आई हैव टोल्ड यू. अब है आपके पास नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 3 मार्क्स के लिए. मेंशन 3 एसेंशियल फीचर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. मेंशन 3 एसेंशियल फीचर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज democracy improve the quality of decision making? How does democracy improve the quality of decision making? Next question, what do you understand by the broader meaning of democracy? What do you understand by the broader meaning of democracy? Question mark. Then same question, explain in 3 points. Explain in 3 points. Now long answer type questions. Long answer type question में only one question we have. Compare the features of democratic and non-democratic governments. Democratic and non-democratic governments. So students, आपका चैप्टर कंप्लीट है. एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो वी हैव डन एंड एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो वी हैव डन. सो जितना भी मैंने आपको ये एक्सरसाइज करवाई है और आपके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है ये सारे नोटबुक में होने चाहिए. और जो 1 मार्क के 3 मार्क के पूरी हेडिंग होनी चाहिए. क्वेश्चन फॉर 1 मार्क, देन क्वेश्चन फॉर 3 मार्क, क्वेश्चन फॉर 5 मार्क, पूरा प्रॉपर आपका काम होना चाहिए। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, हैव ए नाइस डे।